How to fix Roblox memory dump error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Roblox memory dump error on PC. So if Roblox keeps crashing or showing that error, just follow along step by step and we'll get it fixed. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure everything is updated. That means Roblox, Windows, and your graphics card drivers. A lot of players said simply updating solved the issue for them. If that didn't work, here's the next step. Search for Roblox in your Windows search bar, then right-click and select Open File Location. Now, right-click on Roblox Player, go to Properties, and then open the Compatibility tab. Here, check these three boxes. Run this program in compatibility mode. Disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as administrator, click Apply, then try launching Roblox again to see if the error is gone. Still not fixed? No worries. Let's clear the cache. Press Windows key, +R on your keyboard, type %localappdata% and hit Enter. A folder will open. Find the folder called Roblox and delete it. This only removes old cache files that might be causing problems. And if none of that worked, the last step is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. You can do this through the Microsoft Store or download it directly from the Roblox website. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Roblox memory dump error and get back into the game.